Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour of the Falmouth Artisan Village. This is located by the Hampton Pier in Falmouth. It's actually right beside the Falmouth cruise ship terminal, which is the #1 cruise ship terminal in Jamaica. Now, we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on what is happening here. Now the village is open. It was opened back in March. Very nicely done. Alright guys, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this village. Jamaica's first artisan village is set to redefine the tourism experience, enabling visitors to shop for unique products crafted by locals while enjoying the country's vibrant culture and heritage. The over 700 million facility, situated at the former Hampton Wharf, is strategically located along the corridor leading to the Falmouth cruise ship pier in Trelawney. Designed to be a hub for authentic Jamaican products, the state-of-the-art facility is themed to tell the story of Falmouth and will showcase a diverse array of offerings ranging from unique craft and souvenir items to traditional cuisine, as well as lively entertainment, all under one roof. A soft opening of the Falmouth Artisan Village was held on March 20 to familiarize stakeholders with the facility. Visitors will have the opportunity to savor the rich flavors of Jamaican cuisine, all prepared with the finest local ingredients and served with warm Jamaican hospitality. Executive Director of the Tourism Enhancement Fund, Dr. Kerry Wallace, stated, "The experience will also see our local artisans and craftsmen showcasing their skills and creations, providing visitors with the chance to purchase unique souvenirs and mementos that capture the essence of Jamaican artistry," he says. From intricately woven baskets to vibrant paintings and handmade jewelry, the village will be a treasure trove of one-of-a-kind items that reflect the creativity and talent of local artisans, he added. Dr. Wallace says that in addition to shopping and dining experiences, the Artisan Village will also offer a vibrant entertainment program that showcases the rich cultural heritage of Jamaica. He says that visitors can look forward to live music, traditional dance showcases, and other engaging sessions that highlight the island's unique history and traditions. Whether it's swaying to the rhythm of reggae music or learning about the significance of the Falmouth experience and history, guests will be immersed in the sights and sounds of Jamaica's vibrant cultural tapestry, he notes. As a hub of cultural exchange and celebration, the Artisan Village represents a shining example of sustainable tourism development that honors and preserves Jamaica's rich heritage. By offering visitors an authentic and immersive experience that showcases the best of Jamaican craftsmanship, cuisine, and culture, the village is poised to become a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a deeper connection with the destination they explore. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. It's very nice. Very nicely done. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.